Ay, flexing on niggas, I'm extra. Ay, watch how I apply that pressure. Ay, my bitch look like Cinderella. Wait, shawty gave me head in her sketches. Ay, brand new bitch, I don't need her. Oh, I'm trash, why you begging for a feature? I think niggas gon' need a plan B. Cause I come too hard through the speakers. Wait, panoramic roof in the whip. Ay, pop out the cut.
Chris is full. I'll make the intro later. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man.
Send me this, I know.
Hey, what's good with the YouTube, bro? We back, you feel me? Yo. Got your man, you know what I'm saying? Too legit Zay.
You already know, too legit to quit.
Taco, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking good. I ain't gonna cap, right?
Stop the cap.
Cap. See,
Boy's gonna cut me feeling good on that day, bro.
Big Papa.
What did he say?
Man, I took a break from YouTube, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. Why?
The world may never know.
Couldn't even tell you, man. But it's kind of cloudy today. I don't even know I hear my saying. Hold on. I ain't even gonna lie. Today is a beautiful day. Today, you already know what's going on, man. How y'all been, man?
Been good, man. Working, man. Trying to make $1.
Go with that. What you say, T?
You got them fries hit though.
Try this, yeah. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I got fries too, bro.
But you put ketchup on yours.
Yeah, you don't even need ketchup, bro.
Yeah, you do, bro.
No, you don't.
Yeah,
But
you
it
don't.
should smack like that. Yeah.
My shit don't smack, bro.
Man, you crazy as hell, man. This shit good as fuck.
Yeah, you can, bro. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
He was tripping, right?
Yeah.
He was tripping.
bro,
And I feel like it's better through the straw anyway.
I talked to my shit like 3 times, didn't get shit.
Yeah, you can.
See, they think it's weird because I like to suck my milkshake through the straw.
He's gay! I'm not gay. He's gay!
Now you say it like that.
Come on, bro.
Bruh.
Come on, man. Not even like that, bro.
Why you say it like that, though?
Not even like that, man.
Why you say it like that, though, bro? I got a Philly.
Right. Got me a little, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. I got one more. Hold on. Come on. See what them joints is in.
Today ain't doing it right. You gotta get the.
Hold on, everybody get up in here. I gotta get it. I gotta get a little clip. Get a little.
Eat whatever the fuck you want to eat.
We good. Man, you gotta get a clip. Gotta get the clip, baby. Gotta get the clip, baby.
I'm not gonna get another order of fries though. These shit is hit.
Well, I don't know.
Are you for real though?
Huh?
Are you for real?
Yes.
I give you $20.
This shit hit. Let me close my burger up.
Who's that for?
How much your fries? Like $5, $2?
I don't know. No, they ain't no damn $10.
Yeah, no way.
They $10 they can have this motherfucker.
Give me some chili cheese fries, bro.
Chili cheese fries. You know they not gonna put the chili on the cheese. I mean, it's cheese.
Ooh, bro, I still wanna try it. Hey, this lightning. Perfect.
You don't fucking this shit up, man. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, he coming back. Yup.
Cause I want another burger, and this gonna come with the fries.
Okay.
And then, like, get you.
Okay, that's fine. You paid for my meal the other day. I'm not hearing that. Yo, last time you came here, it was $50, bro.
That's how you be getting on.
What?
How you be getting on. Cause we say it's good and you like, I better pay for it like that. Why was it $50?
We both got 2 burgers. With some fries. And a milkshake. Come on, bro. He is fucking that food.
Man. Had to dip out the camera for a little bit.
Hey, the transformation though, man.
Talking about my boy.
A year ago, man, last time I got the video.
Word.
A year, bro.
Been that long?
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
Maybe 9 months though, for real. 9 months. A little mukbang. Something spike. We need to do this more often.
Let me know, man.
Hey, this video ain't gonna go past 15 minutes though. Really seeing. So I really should cut it until Sandy back. But I'm gonna keep eating now, man. I'm gonna keep eating, bro. I ain't gonna wait for this thing. I'm sorry. You about to order a whole nother burger, bro? Ain't no way.
I love
Hold on.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God.
Stop, y'all are being mean.
But me. Who gonna judge me but me?
Come right now.
Looking good, bro. Yeah, real talk though. This is my second time having Highway 55, man.
My first time, man.
I didn't even know the spot was right here. We in Hillsborough with it though. Your friend on Hillsborough.
Eat. Oh, yeah.
You already know we got the shake to go with it, you know what I'm saying? I got a little Oreo shake with the chocolate syrup with the strawberry on top. The little strawberry on top.
Not gonna lie to you.
Get you more.
It's so banging.
Go ahead, like, go get you another one, bro.
Oh no.
Go get you another one, bro.
Oh no.
Come on, now.
Oh no.
Why not, bro?
You peer pressure.
You're not getting the whole experience, man.
No.
No, you're not.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm getting full off of this. Got right that up, my boy.
So,
Mm.
what you say? What?
This nigga get a haircut for the guy. He be feeling good, bro.
What you mean?
Well, you know, then slice up a little bit.
Look at her.
Then slice up a little bit. Man.
She said she worked there and can't afford to eat there. What the fuck? That's gas.
So you know they're making like 70-25, bro.
No way. It was the tip plus tips and shit.
My boy, you did do a good deed though. You took your 58 cents.
Man, Jay. This man said you get a haircut and start acting new. Cause I told the lady she can keep 58 cents.
Personally, I don't think you should have to tip here though.
What you mean, my boy?
Like,
I mean, if you sit down.
but they really not doing nothing besides. I don't know. Hey, Terry's been gone for a minute, bro.
Oh, why you do this to me?
Shut the camera, bro. That was too funny. You know that little crop filter on Snapchat, man?
That's it.
Oh my goodness.
Who that is? Who that is?
Real talk, man. The reason I started dropping videos, bro, my truck broke down. Still ain't got it back. Oh, bro, I done went through 5 transmissions. It's a brand new engine. Took 6 months to get here. Got it back like 2 weeks ago. Transmission went out again.
Oh man.
So
Told him, man.
we just stuck here, man. I didn't know all this came with a truck scene, man. I can't do it, man. Trying to be Hollywood.
Man. It's about too legit, man. Too legit to quit. Too legit to stop. He too legit to do a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? And this your boy Too Legit Zay. You heard me? Go fuck. Huh?
Too legit, so talk your shit.
Nah, cause I be talking that. Too legit is my
Smack your mom in the mouth. He's finally coming back. Yo.
Yo, what? Word.
You fucking. 5 minutes later.
10 minutes later, bro.
I secured the bag.
That bag don't look secured.
Shit, they ain't going nowhere.
I ain't gonna
Chili cheese, my boy.
I ain't even gonna eat it, bro. I ain't gonna cat to you, bro.
Damn, Jay.
I just want the fries. I ain't even cat. Why'd you get the chili? It was extra. It sounded good at the moment. Now I'm full. Ain't shit sounding good right now.
You ready to one of your burgers, my boy?
I bought that shit. Oh, what do you mean?
I'm gonna say this double for later.
Fuck that, bro.
You see?
Double for later. Have a pepper jack cheese on it. With the pecan. The pecan.
So what's that one?
That's the Americano.
Americano.
Go to the Americano. She gonna survive anyway.
I can't really get ready for the beach trip though, for real.
Oh, you ain't it.
You say it's not it.
This ain't it.
Mm-hmm.
They ain't throwing no season on these. They ain't throwing no season on these.
It's hot though.
Oh yeah, they hot. He skipped me on the seasoning. But I know the
Tell that nigga spin that, man.
Huh?
Spin back on. Oh my god.
Spin back in now. Tell him to throw some season. Throw some D's on that.
Bro, I'm full as fuck.
I like that white lady, man. She's nice as hell.
Huh?
I like the white lady, man. She's nice as hell.
That's gonna be white.
That's she white.
Having that chili and that cheese. Yeah, you gotta cut that. You gotta cut that.
Hell no.
Oh God, you gotta cut that.
Hell no.
Bro, you gotta cut that, bro. Yo, you gotta cut that.
Taco, you gotta sit in the middle, bro.
I'm trying to feast over here, my boy.
Fuck that.
Oh God, you gotta cut that.
Oh shit.
You gotta cut that. You gotta cut that. You gotta cut that. You have to.